how to use Flux AI in the Stable Diffusion. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Flux AI in the Stable Diffusion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, download and install Flux AI model from Black Forest Labs. You can find installation guides and tutorials on their official website or platforms like Comfy UI. Ensure you have compatible environments such as Comfy UI or Forge to run the Flux AI model. Then follow the specific installation instructions for your chosen platform. Once installed, you can start generating images by providing detailed prompts. Flux AI is known for its high quality image generation and adherence to prompt, especially for complex details like hands, fingers, and text. Use the various features and settings available in Flux AI to customize and enhance your generated images. So that's how you can use Flux AI in the Stable Diffusion. That's all for this video.